Cumha, the Irish word for longing. This word also means grief, yearning or nostalgia. In the Irish language, where I grew up in Connemara, we would say "Bhí cuagam in the ia," which means I had a loneliness or a yearning after him. I often heard it spoken when relatives returned to America or England after a summer visit home to Ireland. So it can be related to a feeling of exile, immigration, or a deep homesickness. In Irish mythology, figures like Deirdre of the Sorrows, the Children of Lir, or Oisín in Tír na nÓg carry notes of Cumha, a yearning for what has been lost, a paradise left behind, or the grief of timeless love. These myths, from a Jungian perspective, can mirror and reveal inner psychic truths, a longing for a lost homeland or an ancestral way of life. And these hold deep symbolic meanings in our psyche and spirit.